Hi and welcome to Table Talk. Aimée
and Sophie.
And we hope you enjoyed your week off and your week talking to people on Time to Talk Day. What have we been up to, Sophie, since the lovely viewers have seen us?
We have defined our prototype, and by that we mean we've identified the moments that really matter and the moments that we think we can make the most difference. We've identified who we can make that difference for, and we've identified how we think we can make that difference.
We're in action mode, as you can probably sense. First of all, wanted to say thank you so much for everybody who has given us access to teens and tweens and families, because those are the people that now we are verifying our thinking with. And we've been getting some quite interesting feedback to date. Kids, particularly who understand the value of Alexa and voice, have been very positive about how they'd like to interact with Alexa. They've given us some very strict guides around the fact that a robotic voice is not who they want to talk to, that an inanimate object is also not bringing a pet to life for them. So we very much need to work on the character itself.
If you came home from school or work all alone, who would you like Kit to be? What personality would you like it to have? What expression would you like it to have? What character traits would you like it to have? We'd love for you to get in touch and let us know.
We wanted to say a big thank you to the team at Wrap for the support they're offering us from a creative and a brain power perspective. Really big thank you to Dominique and Kofi for the workshop they kindly put on last night for us in planning our research as we go into some really big and exciting research groups in the next couple of weeks. Thank you for joining us this week. We look forward to catching up with you again next week. Bye!